Ever feel your amazing business is a secret online? You know your local bakery has the best croissant or your online store offers exactly what people need. But when customers search, they find your competitors instead. That's frustrating. But what if a free Google tool could show you exactly why this is happening and how to fix it? Meet Google Search Console. It's your website's personal report card from Google, and it's totally 100% free. Think of it as your direct line to understanding how customers find you online. It's not about complex code, it's about simple truths. Are people seeing your site? Are they clicking? What words are they typing to find you? Here's how GSC helps. First, the performance report. This is pure gold. It shows you the exact keywords customers type before seeing your site. You'll see how many times your site appears. That is called impressions, and how many times people clicked. Imagine seeing hundreds searching for organic gluten-free bakery near me, and your site is showing up but not getting clicks. GSC tells you to update your title to grab those customers. Next, the indexing coverage report. It tells you if Google is even seeing your pages. If pages aren't indexed, they won't appear in search, ever. It's like having a book in a library that isn't on the catalog. GSC helps you fix critical errors like broken links, those are 404s, that stop customers dead in their tracks. And don't forget the Mobile Usability Report. Most searches happen on phone. If your site is hard to use on a mobile, Google won't show it as often. GSC points out tiny text or buttons too close together, helping you fix them for a seamless experience. Setting it up is easy. Google walks you through it. It's like handing Google a map to your website. Then you take action. Optimize your page titles and descriptions for those high impressions, low click keywords. Fix broken links so customers don't get frustrated. Make sure your mobile site is flawless. Just like Maria's Bakery, she used Google Search Console to see customers searching for sourdough starter kits and vegan cakes near me. She optimized her pages and added a blog post. Result? Her online sales doubled and she got new custom orders. Don't overthink it. Don't panic over every error. Be patient. SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. GSC empowers you to make smart, data-driven changes that lead to real growth. Stop guessing why you're invisible. Start using Search Console today and guide customers right to your digital doorstep. Thanks for being here. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.